So what really goes into a professional security test? Let's break down the anatomy of a real one.
First things first, this isn't about just running an automated scanner and calling it a day. It's about thinking like an attacker to find paths that actually impact the business. Any methodical test follows a structured three-phase process.
Okay, let's dive in. Phase 1 is all about intelligence gathering, mapping the entire attack surface before you do anything else.
We're using passive techniques here to find things that aren't immediately obvious, like hidden endpoints or old code. And now for Phase 2, the actual attack simulation. This is where the manual, hands-on work begins.
See, scanners find individual ingredients. A manual test shows how attackers combine them into a recipe for disaster.
In most corporate networks, the big target is Active Directory. It holds the keys to the kingdom.
Attackers follow this exact path, moving from one machine to eventually owning the whole domain.
They use sneaky techniques like pass the hash to move silently from system to system.
And of course, cloud environments bring a whole new class of high-impact vulnerabilities into the mix.
Just one simple misconfiguration in IAM can lead to a total environment compromise. It's that fast.
For instance, a single web flaw like SSRF can be chained to steal cloud credentials and get inside.
Mobile apps, they have their own unique risks, which means you need a solid two-pronged approach.
That's static analysis, where you inspect the code, and dynamic analysis, where you test the running app.
Before even running the app, we're pulling it apart, looking for secrets hard-coded right into the source.
Then, with dynamic testing, we get to manipulate the live app, trying to break its defenses in real time.
All that technical work is only half the story. The real value is in Phase 3, the report.
So how do all these technical findings actually help leadership make smarter business and financial decisions?
A great report connects a technical flaw directly to its potential business impact and gives a clear action plan.
That executive summary is everything. It translates complex risk into plain language about operational and financial exposure.
It's important to remember, though, that a pen test is a snapshot of your security at one specific moment.
But it is one of the best investments you can make to understand your real security posture.
Which really just leaves one final crucial question. What does your security look like to a real attacker?